In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit checkout page in WooCommerce. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are inside WooCommerce in WordPress over here, you can go ahead and you want to go to plugins, because for this, we're going to need a plugin. And of course, you will need to have a plan to be able to do this, but I'm just going to show you which one you can actually use. So which plugin is the correct to use to be able to edit your checkout page. So if you go to the plugins, you want to type in checkout over here. And as you can see, you have a few options. You can go for a checkout field editor for WooCommerce, so you can use this one. As you can see, this one is by far the most used, but you have some other ones as well, such as cart flows. You have these flexible checkout fields, etc. So just look at them and use the one you would like the most. For example, this one, and then you'll be able to just install it to your WordPress. You'll see a separate plugin over here, and then you'll be able to customize your checkout page using that plugin. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.